Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some packages that I received today. One is from Amazon. I ordered some items and it was a while ago and I don't remember. It's just been a delayed delivery because of all the, all the business going on now. So I don't remember what I ordered. And here it is. Oh, these are cute. Oh my gosh. Here it is. I bought this off of Amazon. These are 150 acrylic hearts. These are beads. They're so tiny. Gosh, I didn't realize how small they are. And they're just jewelry making craft kits for kids. These are the cutest little things. Of course they're for the kids, but the adults are the ones that really enjoy it. You can just see this on charms. Oh my gosh, look at these colors. Look at these colors. I think this was like $5, I believe. I don't know. It was on Amazon. I typed up actually I was looking for stars, acrylic star beads, like with glitter in it and stuff like that, and instead I think I did find some, but whatever. It hasn't come in yet, but this one came in. This was one of the items that popped up and I love it. I love all the colors. Even the yellows are pretty. There's like 2 different kinds of yellows. There's a green or a minty green and a blue, purple, white, pink, pink, and pink. Love it. Okay, so the other thing that came in was my order from, oh, this is from Rhoda. Here it is. Yep. It is Rhoda. Thank you, Miss Rhoda. Look at that. Let me see. Oh, and she added a bow. So she gave us some of the 12 by 12s that she cut down to 6 by 6 size. And this is coming from the paper collection. And let's see this paper. So cute. Is this the Enchanted Forest? Am I wrong? Pretty. So it looks like 2 different greens with the same print. And then you got one of those pink ombre effect. And then you have stripes. And then this pretty little print. Or is it, gosh, I don't remember. And once again, I don't want to untie her bow, her pretty bow. Oh, there it is, whimsical. Oh, so cute. And it's a clear box. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. You tie the perfect bows. Oh my goodness, Rhoda, I don't want to undo it. I'm so bad. I should just untie it, but oh, I don't want to. There we go. There it is. Perfect little bows. Whoops. I am very, very hungry. Okay. Beautiful kit. Look at this. Again with her flowers, just so perfect. Should I take it out? I should just take it out. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I have flowers. I'll be so ready. Look at that. So pretty, Rhoda. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me try to speed it up a little bit. Oh, 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 oh. Look at these rosettes. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Look at her little centers. They're so cute. I love these. Super pretty. Oh my god. Look at that. So there's 3 different kinds, I think. Is it 3? No. These 3 are the same. This one, 1, 2, that one's the same. So 1, 2, 3. These are the 3. Nope, that's a different one. Okay, and then you get 2 of these. So pretty. Thank you, Rhoda. Beautiful work again. It's just, I can't imagine the energy you spend on making all these rosettes for your beautiful kits. I love it. Everything. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. And look at, oh, another butterfly. This is the butterfly, the magnet. She puts a little magnet on there. Look at that little butterfly. Perfect. Pretty green. And then she's got her trims. Oh, look at these hearts. You got hearts, you know, flowers, stars, and then yellow flowers. All so pretty. Look at that. Guys, that is gorgeous. Okay, so is Whimsical Maggie Holmes? I forget. My brain is really not wanting to work right now. Let's see, where do we open this? At the top. There we go. And we have some baubles. Oh, so pretty. I see some scissors. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness, Eileen. So you have wooden scissors. You keep dropping everything. And a pretty little acrylic bows. And yes, a sewing machine, antique sewing machine. 3 little wooden scissors, and then you have this one, this metal charm. It's a pair of scissors also. And I don't know what that says on there because it's so super tiny. But look at all that. All of that. Oh, even a ruler. A golden ruler. Look at that. So cute. Oh my god, this kit is adorable. Oh wow. Love it. I love that. Lots to play with. Oh my goodness. And then she gives us the sequin mix. I love her mix. Oh yes. Whoops. There are flowers in here. Pretty, pretty iridescent flowers. Oh, look at that. And you got beautiful glitters and pinks and hearts. You got a transparent heart. It's, you can't really see that. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, there you go. All so pretty. These colors are perfect. She is amazing. Okay. I love that. She gives us a bag of beads, the golden beads. Oh my goodness. Well, I don't need to take this out, but look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, and the tassels. Look at that color. Oh my gosh, it's so vibrant. Wow. Ooh, imagine you could spell something with it. Oh, and she even put a little ball bead in there. That's so pretty. Oh my god. I got some gemmies. Look at these gems. You get 20 pieces. Look at that. Wow. Gorgeous colors. I love that. And all her die cuts. Oh my god. I cannot even begin. Let me... Okay, what I'm going to do is pick these babies up and put them in here real quick so I can lay out our little... all of our little die cuts. Because there's a lot in this bag. How did she fit all of this? Oh my goodness. This is where you get your money's worth right here. Because there's not just one die cut that she puts in of each thing. There's multiple. Beautiful bows. Oh my god. Yes, so she's got the bows, and now I know that she puts the pieces together for you so they don't get lost. Look at this collection. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. My goodness. I love it. Look at that. With the gold foiling. So you have a bunch of bows. And of course, we get the mini die cut doilies. Look at all of this different patterns, guys, and different shapes doilies. This is just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Love this. You get all these doilies. My goodness. And those are always hard to find. And all these beautiful hearts with the faux stitching. All the little different prints. This is beautiful. Oh my God. And she put some butterflies and smaller hearts in here. And with the centers for these bows. Wow. Her packaging. Let me see. These. Oh, there's scissors in there. Gorgeous. I'm not going to pull that out. I'm not going to pull that out right now. But that is a beautiful set with the little hearts. And you have bag toppers. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5 bag toppers. And here's the other one. She's just so smart, so pretty. I love this. And then here are the flowers. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 rolled flowers. Oh. This is good for flat mail. This is what you can use, put into your flat mail, Eileen. And you have large, medium-sized stars. Oh my God, I love this kit. And you get the large size stars. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Girly girl. Look, and large doilies. Oh my God. 5 doilies. This is a lot, guys. This is a lot. So much work into this. And believe me, you know, I don't have a die cutting machine, but can you imagine you have to cut each individual die? She has 1 die cut, or 1 die. And she has to cut this paper, this paper, this paper, this paper, and however many other pages or kits that she has to put together. That is a lot of work. And look at these mini memory decks cards. Girl, look at that. Oh my God, I love it. So worth the money. And oh, look at that. You can use make your own memory decks. Build your own stash. These are minis, guys. These are not regular 4x4s. It's a 4x3. Cute. Well, that is it for today, guys. If you liked my haul, please give this video a thumbs up. Ooh, show her some love, subscribe and everything, and I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.